Hello, in this video I will show you how I'm making relocating brackets for my XVS 650 stock headlight. The idea is to move it around 3 inches up and of course made of aluminium casting leftovers. Hopefully I will show you that casting in the next video, but for now I have to turn that round stock to 32mm cylinders. With cut-off tool, I'm making around 6mm deep grooves in every 5mm, then beveling the edges. As you may see, I finally moved out from regular garage to much more spacious place. And now I should not get any excuse to finish my bikes. I have a very ambitious project in my mind after this one is done, so stay tuned. Back to current one, making M8 threads and spikes. There will be a lot of pointy details and spikes on this bike. Someone may say it's not safe, so please stay at home when this bike will be out on the street. Apparently, by doing this, it becomes bigger. That's normal. Do not be ashamed. Everyone doing it. I recommend to do it with Scotch-Brite. Some of you would prefer soap instead. Here I do paint on inner cylinder, just to stand out the polished rings, kind of mimicking a Springer front look. Assembling parts together is the most exciting part of the build. Until this moment everything was just imagination, hours of fabrication and dirty hands. But now you can finally step aside, enjoy a look and be proud of another small but neat detail of your build. Thank you for coming on my channel, watching this one and my other videos. Please like if you like it, dislike if you don't. Even better if you let me know your thoughts in comments, and see you around.